This is DDAmanda stock screener and scanner for NYSE, OTC, NASDAQ, all the exchanges, and it lets you find these winning stocks. Now they use both user input and AI to find these things. Easy enough to use by total beginners, and also has advanced features used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. Ain't that cool? I've used this and it's really, really good. So what do people say about this? They have some testimonials here. Um, I love you guys. It's well worth it. I made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Just digging DDAmanda. It just goes on and on. So, and look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. They got a 100% refund guarantee. Here's a live phone number that you can call. Down here are your subscription levels. They've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check it out. And then you got some other subscription levels here. Really, really well worth it, guys.